Hello and welcome to another Take 5 video from Tekla Structures. My name is John Recknagel. I'm a precast application specialist. In today's video, we're going to be discussing the geometry detailing strip. Let's jump right into the model. All right, here we are within the model. You can see we just have a precast insulated structure here. And today we're going to be focusing on the geometry detailing strip. So over here in our applications and components, if we open this up, basically what this Take 5 is going to be about is getting your reveal lines and line weights to show up properly on your GA drawings, your general arrangement drawings. In the past, without using this tool, your reveal lines would just look as if they were part of the panel lines and everything would be the same line weight, and it just kind of looked kind of messy and not very clean. So now utilizing the geometry detailing strip, we're able to kind of improve on that whole process and make your drawings look a lot cleaner. So you can see right off the bat here, we've got some magenta ones in here. These reveals were put in with the geometry detailing strip, and then the other ones were just put in with the mock joint tool. So I wanted to kind of show everyone the differences here. But basically, you load open this tool, you'll set up a parameter here for kind of what part profiles and properties that you want to utilize. And then you can go through and fill in all these boxes as you want. But the important part here is that you choose the cut and the part. And what that does here is if I select this panel and then I say exactly where I want this cut to go, and then just go perpendicular and then middle mouse, you can see that it's going to drop in the cut, and then it's also going to drop in this little kind of fake beam here. And this fake beam is important because this is what we're going to utilize on our GA drawings to really kind of segment that line weight and really make your drawings look nice and clean. So let's go to a plan view here, and then what I'm going to do is just generate a nice view on this back side. So I can just click on this side of the foundation, click on this side, change my depths here to only show about 5 feet in front and beyond. Control P, and then I'm just going to create a general arrangement drawing, default settings, create. Okay, so here we are within the GA drawing. You can see these dark green ones here. This is the one put in with the old tool, the mock joint tool. This is going to yield you that result where everything looks the same line weight, right? Because those cuts are basically, the panel. So the panel is tied to the green color. So if you assign a, 4 mil line weight when you plot, everything's going to look the same. Now you can see these ones coming in here as dashed lines. These are all the ones that I've inserted using the geometry strip detailing tool. Now what you can do here, if I double select on my view properties, what you're going to want to do is to create some filters and then object level settings to automatically grab these elements. So a typical filter here for one that I've set up, I set up a precast underscore reveal, which would look like something like this, where you're grabbing, the name of this element and maybe the class or something just to segment it out so that way it grabs it. Now a good tip or trick that I like to tell people to do is let's test this filter to make sure that it works. So with just the filter selected, we can just press modify on our view, and you can see that Tekla is in fact doing exactly what we're wanting to. It is just grabbing these kind of faux beams here, if you will. So I can just undo that with a Control Z. Now the next thing that you would need to set up is an object level setting here. So if I load in my, I think I called it reveal, or maybe, no, elevation. So inside this object level setting, I'm grabbing that precast underscore reveal filter, and it's grabbing the part, and then the part level setting that I'm using is called reveal. So where this is controlled is under the part settings here. For objects part, if I were to load in my reveal, you can see all of the elements here that I'm using. I'm doing outline, I've got my own hidden lines turned on, and then now for the appearance here, notice how I'm turning everything red. So red and solid lines, because I don't necessarily want to see those as hidden lines. I want them to be solid lines. So what I can do here is just load in my preset that I already have, kind of incorporating all aspects of that, and then just press modify. And now you can see that our reveal lines, looks like I drew that one at an angle there, but all of our reveal lines you can see here are red. And why this is important here is because if I go to a plot view, I can ensure that my line thickness for my red lines is something smaller. So that way I get a nice kind of clean, crisp look here. So if I just make a plot here, so you take 5 reveal, so here's what we're getting. So these dark lines here is what previously with the mock joint, what I was saying. This is, a commonly asked question from our customers is how do we get these lines to look more clean and clear, crisp? You can see all of the ones here that I had turned red using the geometry detailing strip are now those nice lines. So utilizing the geometry strip detailing tool along with some object level settings and some filters, and then with proper line property setups in your plot settings, you can create some nice looking clean GA drawings. So that's going to be it for the Take 5 video today. Hopefully you guys enjoyed, and we'll see you soon. Thanks. Bye.